Hey, what is up guys? This is Sid. I'm just showing how our Profit Mania actually works. This is basically a email marketing training, over the shoulder trainings which are being specifically targeted for someone who wants to do email marketing, grow their business through email marketing and solo ads. This is a pretty laid out structure where you can see welcome and these champions are this case studies and super affiliates, how the mindset should be there, and the championship funnel in the sense like how you want to create opt-in pages. I will come back to these opt-in pages for this thing, and the thank you pages over here, autoresponder which you have to use, what are those email marketing etiquettes, and even the main thing is where do you get your solo ads to run it, right? So this is basically what the whole course is structured on. What I can say is this can be pretty much available anywhere, but the thing why we are giving out this coursework is the opt-in pages matters a lot for anyone, because it's the first gateway where your customers or the future customers can get into your system, right? Like autoresponder system or whatever. So opt-in pages are the main thing where it has to convert, and once it converts, how do you need to market those products or whatever the things, right? Whatever the offers you are promoting, everything is explained here how to do that, because most of the times if the email is not hitting your inbox, if it's going for promotional or like spam, then it's of no use. So everything is explained here, and majorly where you have to get your traffic, the solo ads, champions and demand, solo ads. So this is basically been explained in our Profit Mania. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you inside. Thank you guys.